Now, 2021 2000 Guinness winner Miniature Man won his first race in over a year when he landed the feature Caymanas Park Announcers Trophy, a restricted overnight allowance contest over 6.5 furlongs at Caymanas Park today. Denise Waters has a racing review.
The former classic campaigner Miniature Man, who has had his issues and raced sparingly, returned to the winner's circle for the first time since June 2021 when he won the Guineas. With an ease in scale at 117 pounds and returning from a 2-month break, the 4-year-old chestnut gelding bided his time well as he tracked leader Super Duper before making a challenge with apprentice Abigail Abel aboard.
And it is Super Duper in front and making the running, being tackled on the outside by Miniature Man. Super Duper hanging on from Miniature Man, coming forward, also coming forward against the rail. That's Unruly Boss. Amy the Butcher is right there too. Sweet Majesty trying to come, but it's Super Duper and Miniature Man. This is where the race line. Miniature Man points on Super Duper, not giving up. Miniature Man hanging on desperate. Miniature Man begins to pull off in the Caymanas Park Announcers Trophy. Miniature Man beats Unruly Boss. Super Duper is third. Then comes Sweet Majesty and Amy the Butcher.
Conditioned by leading trainer Jason DaCosta, Miniature Man won in 1 minute 19 1/5 by 1.5 lengths.
He was working good. I mean, he had his issues, and I've been working with him in the mornings, and he's been responding. So I'm happy. We got the winner there today. But hopefully he keeps on and he continues to improve and get back to where he was.
So the trainer told me to get a clean break, right? Got a clean break and try to sit close to the leader, right? And I was sitting close to the leader, and the half mile, I take time join the leader until he come down the street. I'm asking him and respond well.
Meanwhile, it was a hotly contested sprint trip between Yellowstone and Luxor in the Brian Rickman Trophy, a restricted stakes contest going 5.5 furlongs.
And it is Yellowstone attacking on the outside. That's Luxor. Yellowstone and Luxor, these two are fighting for it. KP Choice is sneaking up on the inside. A gift from Ben, switching for space. Yellowstone turning back the challenge at the moment of Luxor coming on the rail. That's KP Choice. Lacrimai is also coming on. It's Lacrimai. It's Yellowstone in front. Not getting rid of Luxor coming forward. Yellowstone, it's a good finish in the Brian Rickman OD Trophy. Yellowstone and Luxor going by together. Then comes Lacrimai, KP Choice.
One of two winners for trainer Alfred Brown and ridden by Tevin Foster, Yellowstone just got there by a nose in 1 minute 6 4/5.
Came out of his last race with an injury, so his preparation was light. I didn't push him that much, but the last work was very impressive. So I told myself, let's give ourselves a chance here and see what's happening.
Leading jockey Dane Dawkins rode a double to take his tally to 83 wins for the season. Racing continues on Saturday. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.